Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 12. Today we learn about args and kwargs. They let functions accept flexible arguments. Args collects extra positional arguments. Kwargs collects keyword arguments. Both make functions flexible and reusable. Let us create args_basics.py. Args collects positional arguments into a tuple. We call sum_all with 3, then 4 numbers. Greeting is required, names collects the rest. We passed hello plus 3 names. Kwargs collects keyword arguments into a dict. We pass name, age, and city as keywords. Role is required, the rest goes into details. Bob gets developer role with extra details. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Sum_all returned 6 and 100 for 4 numbers. Greet printed hello for Alice, Bob, and Charlie. You can combine args and kwargs together. The operator unpacks a list into arguments. Unpacks a dictionary into keyword arguments. Let us create args_advanced.py. log_event takes event, then tags and details. Login is the event. Auth and user are tags. Add takes exactly 3 numbers. Unpacks the list into 3 arguments. Greet takes name, greeting, and punctuation. Unpacks the dict into keywords. Wrapper accepts and forwards any arguments. The forwarded call passes a string and keyword. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Login shows tags and details as key value pairs. Unpacked the list, so add returned 6. Let us build an event planner with flexible arguments. Star guests collects attendees, double star details adds info. We merge guest lists from multiple events. Let us create event_planner.py. Create _event stores, guests, and details in a dictionary. Display _event prints the name, guests, and details. Merge _guests combines and deduplicates all guest lists. Party has 3 guests with a date and location. Meeting has 2 guests with time and room. We display both events, then merge the guests. Let us review the code with that. Now let us run the event planner. Birthday shows Alice, Bob, and Charlie as guests. Team Sync has Alice and Diana with time and room. Let us recap Args and Kwargs. Star Args collects positional arguments into a tuple. Double star Kwargs collects keyword arguments into a dict. The star operator unpacks lists and dicts into arguments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore lambda functions.